What is going on, everybody? My name is Pete, but you probably already knew that. But in case you didn't, you guys are watching the one and only Paid to Drive, and of course, Pay to Drive Vlogs, day number 1378 coming at you. I hope you're all having a great one out there. Let me know how you're doing, how you're feeling. You having a good day or a bad day? Let me know in the chat or the comments down below. And of course, if you drive for apps like GrubHub, DoorDash, Uber Eats, or any of the others, you are in the right place to stay up to date with what is going on in the gig economy. So hit that free red subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications so you're always notified when I post something new. That is correct, everybody. And of course, if you wouldn't mind, hit that like button down below. Just lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job. And let's jump into the email, Triple Lindy Thornton Mellon style. So got a nice informative video for you here from our buddy Scott. So everyone say thank you, Scott. And the subject of this was tax deduction. It's a gig business. How to keep your money. So it involves taxes, obviously. So listen to this. He goes, "Hi, Pete. This is Scott, but now you know this." I see what you did there. "Thanks for posting in the last email, as this kind of info needs to be known. The mileage deduction for 2021 is 56 cents a mile, down 1.5 cents from 2020. This is very important. I'm going to assume that most drivers try to sit near the hot spots, which would be close to the restaurants in your dash zone. By now, most of the drivers have figured out that you need to be close to these spots to get orders. I'm saying this because DoorDash only counts the mileage from the store to the customer's house. They do not take into effect that you have to get back to this spot to get your next order. So when the app tells you the order is a 3-mile delivery, that is one way, the total distance is a lot different, as you have to return to this spot. Your trip is 6 miles for this delivery," which he's correct on. With DoorDash's new pay scale, base pay is $2.50 in most cases. Well, 6 times 56 cents equals $3.36. So without a tip, would cost you, the driver, 86 cents plus to take this order. You see, no one ever really thinks about the breakdown here. Now, let's say the customer gave you a $3.50 tip. That's a $6 total order. Now the math, $6 order, $6 order minus $3.36 mileage, total profit $2.64. But wait, taxes at 30%, and that is on $6, $1.80. Add this to your mileage is 5.16. $6 minus 5.16 equals 84 cents total profit for this order. Pretty harsh. That will take you 15 minutes to complete, taking into account the time in store and drive time. At 4 deliveries an hour at this rate, total hourly wage would be $3.36 an hour. Yikes. And that's doing 4 deliveries. I don't know how you're doing 4 deliveries unless your market is super fast. And DoorDash wonders why people refuse orders and cherry pick. I can't live on $3.36 an hour. Can you? No way. Now, with that said, the only way to survive is deductions. So here is some help for you to make money and what can be deducted. Number 1, your mileage, which is the one I always use. Start counting this the moment you get into your car till the end of your shift. Write it down when you get into your car till the moment you pull up at your house at the end of the day. Keep a log is a must. This can be done in a notebook or app, but I would not count on this, as some apps stop counting mileage when you stop. I use either Mile IQ or Stride app, just so you know, and I've never had a problem for years. Number 2, here's a list of things you can deduct. Mileage, car washes, any cleaning supplies, Windex, microfiber cloth, sanitizer, Rain-X, Armor All, gloves, etc. Gas, keep your receipts. You can deduct either gas or mileage, but not both, and that's true. And any and all service done to your car. Oil changes, tire rotations, inspections, light bulb replacement, wiper blades, tire replacement, brake pads, alignments, everything with your car payment, car insurance, food or drinks you eat while on break, cell phone holder for your car, cell phone charger, your cell phone bill. Remember, you are an independent contractor. As an independent contractor, you decide what is a business expense. If you decide that one of Pete's t-shirts is a dress code, it's deductible. What a cool t-shirt from Pete. Yes, paytodrivestore.com for all your shirts. Best advice, keep track of everything you do and the receipts, even if you are unsure if it can be deducted. Let your accountant figure out what can and cannot be deducted, i.e. if you do mileage, you can't deduct gas as well, but you can deduct the accountant fees. TurboTax charged me $180 to file a 1099 return in 2020. This is also deductible in 2021 taxes. Start a bank account that is just for your independent business, not your personal account. Have DoorDash, Uber, GrubHub, and any other deposit your earnings into this account and pay any and all expenses from this account. Now, I'm not an accountant, but in large companies, they do taxes on quarterly basis. Why? This affects your taxes as you need to report income every 3 months, i.e. taxes, state, federal, and unemployment, Social Security. Let's say your independent work makes $6,000 in 3 months. $6,000, mileage deduction, 5,000 times 56 is 2,800. Cell phone is 150. Tire rotation is $50. Car payment, $900. Car insurance, $180. Total, $1,920. This is what you transfer to your personal account. Now you owe 30% of this figure for your taxes. 1,920 times 0.30 equals 576 this quarter, not 1,800. 6,000 times 0.30. If you paid $1,800, then you made $120 for this quarter and are due a huge refund at tax time of $1,224 for this quarter. If you do this correctly, my tax return looked like this for 2020, and it's a gig business. Keep what belongs to you. So, Scott, thank you for that huge breakdown. I tried to read it kind of quick because I know people's attention spans are not very high. So, I hope you learned a little something from this information. It was very thorough, and Scott, I really appreciate you breaking it all down. So if you guys have any questions, put it in the chat or the comments section down below. And if you guys ever want to send me anything, send an email to paytodrivestories@gmail.com. That is the best place to reach me, just like Scott did. And for those of you who want a quicker response, you guys can always send me a message on Patreon at patreon.com/paid2drive. Link is in the description or in the pinned top comment if you want to sign up. And anyone who signs up, I give shout outs like I'm about to do right now. So when you hear your name called, say, "Hey, Pete, I heard my name." We've got Ari Rosenbaum at our $100 Ultimate Driver. Ari, thank you so much for your generosity. We've also got Samantha Michaels, Brian Pomeroy, Brian Medina, Heidi Barnes, Joe Valerio, Kurt Paul, Lee Peacock, Tulsa Todd, William Boudreau, Laura Love, Agus, Tom Perry, Alan G. Van Horn, Drew Hanor, Fernando Carranza, Frank Haviland, Fresh One, Jason Casta, Justin Case, Lulu Laura, Natalie Mosley, Sarah Keston, Scott Freisner, Sherry Cassidy, Stephen Neely, Joyce Hine, Brian Richardson, Kenny Bess, Ginny Thomas, John Bonacci, Matt Epperson, Nick G, Stacy Miller, Terrence Pacheco, and of course, Valerie Brown. Huge shout outs to all of you. If you want to sign up for Patreon, the link's down below or in the pinned top comment. Also, at the bottom of the description is the free gas app called Get Upside. Please make sure to download it. Use it starting today. You can literally start saving money on your gas today. All right. So what you do is you download it for free on your smartphone, link at the bottom of the description, go to your gas station, pump your gas, print out your receipt, take a picture of your receipt with the Get Upside gas app, and within 48 hours or so, you'll get anywhere from 15 cents to 45 cents a gallon back, which is pretty fantastic. And if a friend or family member signs up using your code, you'll get paid every time they pump gas. It's called Get Upside. Links in the description. Please make sure to download it. And of course, just like Scott was saying, you can get one of these awesome Pay to Drive police t-shirts or another design over at paytodrivestore.com. Everything's on sale. Lots of different designs, colors, sizes. Get all your t-shirts, hoodies, and goodies at paytodrivestore.com. Links down below or in the pinned top comment. And if you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate it. Leave a comment saying END736, END736. Hit that free red subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications so you're always notified when I post something new. And of course, hit that like button. Just lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job. And until next time, get that money, get that honey, keep hustling and keep bustling. And we'll see you next time right here on Paid to Drive and a Paid to Drive Vlogs. And of course, as always, drive safe, be well, and we'll see you on the next one.